I guess recording is on,
Yeah,
Devajyoti.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It just have been approved. I
Oh,
just got the host control.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So guys, are you done? Let me know, buddies, who are done, or you can raise your hand also on the chat board. Okay, we'll wait for like 5 more minutes and then we'll begin. Is everyone done, buddy? Okay. So, buddies, like we'll begin with a small game, and I'll be saying few words or few things. You have to like guess is it made by a human or can it be created by a human or AI? So you know about prompt engineering, anyone? Has anyone ever created picture using ChatGPT or Gemini, right? Okay, if you haven't created, don't worry. You just have to guess. Can it be created using AI or can it be created using human? Am I clear, buddies? You can just give me a thumbs up. Okay, great, buddies. Okay, first tell me one thing. A purple elephant flying over Mumbai while eating pizza. Can it be created by human or AI? You can in the chat box you can write H or A. H stands for human and A stands for AI. That's good. Okay, roses are red, violets are blue. Homework is scary, but AI can help too. I'll repeat again. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. Homework is scary, but AI can help too. Human or AI, or both. Okay, I see everyone is changing their options. Whoever said both, they are all correct. I think all of them are correct. Great job, buddy. Okay, round three. A phone unlocking by recognizing your face. Is it a human feature or AI feature? Obviously, everyone know this answer. Okay, now I think I have to get a little hard. Let me see. Can anyone tell me a calculator solving 45 times 12, is it a normal machine or AI machine? Or both? 45 times 12. Good job, buddies. So you all have the better understanding about AI and normal machine and the difference between them. So let me just tell you a little brief about the AI. What is it? We all know about human minds, right? How it works. What do you do? If you have you ever thought about something that if I like show you a smartphone, for example, everyone will tell me this is a smartphone. Is there anyone who will tell me this is a laptop? No, right? I'll tell you the reason behind it. Because when you were very little age, you have been trained with this data that this kind of devices are called smartphone. So what do you do next time you see this kind of device? Our brain analyzes the pattern. It collects all the information that is there and it analyzes it, and later on it gives us the output. This is how our human mind works. Similarly, we can think about anything. We all see different types of dreams, right? Which doesn't have any meaning. Sometimes we see some dreams which doesn't have any meaning, right? Similarly, an AI also works in the same way. What AI does, whichever prompt or data you will be giving to AI, it will be analyzing it, and later on it will create an output based on that data. So whenever we'll be using AI tools, we have to use it responsibly. We cannot just give some wrong data to AI and we expect a correct output from it. Right? Can anyone tell me who are like already have used some AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT or Adobe Firefly? Any AI tools? So I think Ishanvi has used it. Nitya used it. Agastya used it. What about you, Srivastav? Have you used ChatGPT or Google Assistant or Siri, Alexa, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. So you all know, buddies, that whenever you ask anything to the AI, it gives you the answer, right? It gives you the data. But do you think all of the time this data will be correct? Correct. This is not correct every time. So, if you know that AI sometimes can hallucinate, just like we can hallucinate. So, AI works just like human minds. Whenever you'll be using AI, you have to give the data as an input. It will analyze it. It will see the patterns. Now, whenever I'm saying patterns, you have to understand what is actually pattern means. Pattern means a repetitive task, a repetitive information. It will find out that pattern. For example, I give a picture of mountains and I give a picture of seas or river. It will find out the patterns. In the mountain, it has the mountain pictures. In the river pictures or sea picture, it has water. So that's how it will find out these different types of patterns in different types of datas. I think you already know about these things, right? Okay, that's great. So let's do a small task again. And this time, what I'll be doing is I'll be telling you some, uh, like tasks that we do in our daily life or we see in our daily life. You have to tell me, is it built by a simple machine? Can it be processed by a simple machine or can it be only processed by AIs? Okay. So for simple machine, you can just write S, and for AIs, you can just write A in the chat. Or if it is both, you can write both or B, anything. Okay. So can anyone tell me the YouTube search engine, is it AI or a simple app or it's both? Okay. I'll tell you what it is. You can say this is simple AI, like simple machine, you can say a simple app, but the YouTube search engine is actually an AI. What it does, it takes the data. What are the data it takes? Can anyone guess what is the data? What are the data it takes? Yeah.
Our recommendations.
Okay. What about you, Isanvi? What do you think?
So it takes the data of whatever kind of videos that we watch, whatever category of videos, and then it recommends us videos accordingly.
Correct. What about you, Nitya?
So whatever videos or content we've been searching for the past few days or months, it takes that historical data and then processes it.
Exactly. And Sivasta, what do you think?
Sir, the AI looks at our search history and our watch history, and then it recommends the videos that come to our For You page.
Exactly, Buddy. Do you guys also know that these things that you are already searching in the platform and it's finding out and showing us, right? You are giving the data in the platform. But do you also think that it also collects data by himself, like without you knowing that? Do anyone knows about it? Okay, whenever you create a Google account or Gmail account, have you ever seen a page? It asks you about your optional data sending option. Most of the people, like most of us, just randomly skip that. We never think about it. What it does, for example, you have a Flipkart or Amazon in your phone, and you search for a random, like, device like washing machine, air conditioner, PS5, Xbox, or any kind of computer like GTX 5090 or these kind of stuffs. When you search it, you will also notice sometime that after 5 minutes or 30 minutes or even after that, if whenever you open YouTube, after some time you start to see the videos about those objects or those devices. Has anyone noticed about it? If anyone have noticed, they can raise your hand. Okay, I see Ditya has noticed it. What about you, Srivastav? Have you ever noticed this thing?
Yes, sir.
Correct. And Agastya, what about you?
Yes, sir.
But you'll notice one thing, that you haven't searched it about in YouTube, right? Correct. Sivasta has told us the correct answer, that our devices are continuously listening to us. Like right now, I have my phone with me and I'm teaching you, right? I'm teaching AI about it. You'll notice, like, I'll notice after like 30 minutes or 1 hour, I'll start to see AI videos in my phone or AI ads in my YouTube. So what happens? AI collects data from wherever you can. And there are different types of AI agents are there. They run this kind of data, they find out the pattern, and it happens because the apps are being created for user specific. It's not a generalized app. Like what video Srivastava will be watching, Ditya or Agastya will be not watching the same video. They will be watching different types of video, or there will be a similar pattern. Like at this age group, these videos are popular, like Italian brain rot. I hope everyone knows about it. It
Yes,
was
sir.
pretty popular at some time, right? It took me like some months to remember the names because I was not, like I was my those videos was not recommended in my YouTube. But anyways, I got to know about it from Roblox and my some students, thanks to them. Later on, some many videos has gone viral. Now, whenever anything goes viral, AI also find out the pattern, which age group its viral is into. So in my age group, the videos or the topics are not viral in your age groups. It can happen, right? Because those are not the same content you see. So these are how the AI makes the app user specific. If you go like back in days, I don't know if you like, maybe you will not know about it, but your parents will know about it. In earlier days when YouTube was in 2010 or 2011, it was not that smart. It used to give us generalized videos and recommendations, or we have to search it, then only it would come up. Got it? Now, next, let me ask you face unlock. Does anyone ever have noticed how face unlock works actually? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, our phone recognizes, like when we upload our face on the settings app, when we put in the face unlock, it recognizes our facial features. And using one of the domains of AI, that is computer vision, it whenever we have to unlock our phone, it just recognizes our facial features with the help of that domain. It recognizes us, and phone opens by itself.
Good job. And anyone else who would like to contribute? Ishanvi, Agastya, Srivastav. Okay, can anyone tell me how it actually recognizes the facial details or facial information?
From the camera.
With the camera, and can anyone tell me the steps that it follows? Does anyone knows about it? What are the steps he follows?
So I think it uses optical ID. It scans the eyes.
Okay. It actually sometime I'll tell you the proper way, like how it actually does it step by step, even though it happens within some seconds, but it does it with step by step. Okay. So every one of us has a different kind of facial structure, right? Our structure is not same. So what it does, whenever you open the camera, it clicks the picture. After that, it creates multiple points over the face. And these points are called the junction points because through each point, it creates some lines to the other point. Let me give you an example so that you can understand it. I think you have seen this kind of images multiple times on Google or some other platforms. Just give me a second. There we go. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So whenever it gets a picture, it creates this kind of points first. After that, it connects each and every dot with the other one. This is the first stage he does. This is the first step. Why he does it? Can anyone tell me? I'll tell you. So it finds out the location of each and every point of our face, like where our eyes are, where our nose are. So that's how he finds out the location on our face. Whenever he sees a picture, any kind of face, he finds out the location and the size and shape of that face, of the details of the face. Second thing, he collects the color. And later on, he collects the other information, like if there is any facial cut is there, or is there any mole on the face. These kind of small details are captured. So as much details as it can, it captures it. Got it? That's how the facial recognition works. So you will notice one thing. Doesn't matter whichever AI like work is being done. The first stage he will be collecting data. Second stage he will find out the pattern, and third stage he will be doing the or he will be making the decision. You can say. Got it? Anyone has any questions before we begin the next topic? Okay. So guys, can anyone tell me what is machine learning? Yeah, Ishanvi.
So machine learning is basically where we give data to the machine so that it can analyze the patterns and then give us an output according to the question that we ask it.
Exactly.
It's training an AI.
Exactly. That's a great answer, buddy. That's great. And do you know that for different types of data, we have different types of machine learnings are there? For example, I'll give you a proper idea. At the beginning, I have told you that the AI works like human mind. So, guys, can you anyone tell me, like, if you close your, just think about something. Your eyes are closed and your parents are calling you. Can you recognize who is actually calling you? Like, is your mom or dad? Even your eyes are closed, you can still recognize, right? Now think about your friends. You've heard their voices multiple times, so your brain is trained about that voice. Similarly, if you want to create an artificial intelligence who can recognize these different types of voice or music instruments, then it will be using audio classifier machine learning. Similarly, for different types of machine learning, there are different types of methods that they follow. We'll be learning about it in the upcoming classes. There will be proper sessions on them. You will do activities. You'll be creating your own AIs, right? Okay. One more thing I would like to ask. Does anyone know about the Tesla car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell me, like, does it have any AI feature?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srivastava, can you tell me some names of, like, some of the AI features that the Tesla car has?
Sir, the Tesla car has motion sensors which can detect, like, if a person is in front of the car or behind the car, which will, like, put the brakes on the car.
Okay, that's great. And Ishanvi, can you tell me some of them?
I knew the same feature that he just said, the
Okay,
motion
that's
sensor.
right. Okay, Ditya, do you want to add on something?
So it has the feature of object detection, like it can recognize objects such as traffic lights or pedestrians nearby.
Correct. And Agastya?
Sir, it also has ultrasound and IR sensors, which detect the if any object is in front of the car, and then the AI tells the command to the car to move forward or put the brakes according to the
Distant.
if the object is there or not.
Correct. Good job, buddy. So this is how you can see that in real time, data analyzes the data, it collects the data, analyzes it, find out the pattern, and make the decision out of it. Now you'll notice sometime, have you ever seen any videos? I think these videos are very popular. Even though they're like in front of the Tesla car, there was a cycle guy or bicycle guy who was riding. Sometimes the car has detected this as a you can say truck or bus or something like that. Have you ever noticed this kind of glitched videos on YouTube? Okay, so I'll tell you a scenario of what happened. There was a guy who was driving the Tesla car and he was stopped in a traffic signal. In front of him, a bunch of like the cyclist, you know, the cyclist, like there will be multiple guys on the bicycle, they will do a marathon kind of things. So they were traveling at the time, the AI failed to recognize it properly and it thought it's a like truck or train. It was glitching in between that. So this kind of things can happen with AI. That's why AI always need human intervention. We cannot always trust AI 100% because still now AI is not 100% accurate. And you know the reason. The reason is data. He's always like he has been trained about the like for example, if he's detecting is as a train, like a train. So what will happen? In a train, it has multiple wheels, it has a long structure. And similarly, when the cyclists were going, there was a long chain of the cyclist, which is also long and it has multiple wheels. So at that time, the machine learning data cannot recognize the pattern properly and it has been glitched. Did you understand, buddy? So first thing is AI is very fun and like yeah, sorry, I mean like actually AI is also very fun. Have anyone tried the like speech recognition feature of AI or text to speech?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are the guys who already have used Pictoblocks or Scratch?
Sir, me.
Okay, which platform have you used, buddy?
Sir, Scratch.
Okay. And what about you, Isanvi?
Scratch.
Okay. Nitya?
Scratch.
I hope, buddy, I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
It's correct. It's Ditya.
Okay. And what about you, buddy, Agastya?
Yes, sir. Me also Scratch.
Scratch, that's great. So in Scratch, you'll notice there is a feature called text to speech. So whichever data you will write, whichever text you will write, it will convert it into speech. And there are multiple voices for that given, right? Has anyone tried to change the like language in it? I have done it multiple times. For example, I changed the language to Chinese and I have written some Hindi words in it. It was pronouncing so like it was really fun in that. You should try this, buddy. Anytime you see a text to speech, has anyone have used the text to speech feature in chat? Like, I mean, Scratch? No, no, none of you. Okay, let me show you something. It will be really fun. So you'll also get the idea that AI can not all be. And yeah, one more thing. I think you have also noticed about the previous version in ChatGPT. If you ask him to speak in a different language, his accent was really wrong. Has anyone noticed about it? Recently, they have changed it, they have updated it. But in the older version, it was so inaccurate that sometimes we feel like, okay, guy, please speak it in English, I will understand it. You don't have to speak in the local language. What about you, Srivastava? Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
That's great. So, buddies, I'll tell you one thing. I'm not good at Hindi. Even though I can understand Hindi, but I'm not that good. I'm actually a Bengali. And I've used ChatGPT, you can say, in everyday life. Still using it because it creates a lot of like I'll see one thing that the Gemini's analyzation power is much like the ChatGPT is much better than any one of them. I haven't used the Claude AI yet. Has anyone used Claude AI? You have used it, Isanvi?
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you, Ishanvi, or Srivastava has also used it. So let me go to Srivastava first, then I'll come to Ishanvi. Srivastava, can you tell me which one is better, ChatGPT or Claude?
Sir, I think ChatGPT is better.
Okay. What about Ishanvi? What is your opinion?
So I think Claude is better.
Okay. You know, but he's like, I haven't tried it, so I cannot give you the answer yet. But you know, like we are all habituated in some kind of AI tools. I've used Grok and Perplexity. Okay, what is your opinion, buddy? Which one is best?
Sir, Grok is better if you don't want premium versions and you want free video making and all the image making. And Perplexity can give is better for education and daily things.
That's correct. You know, like, guys, do you know about one more thing that there are some engineers out there, like me, who are too lazy to switch to a different tool? And there's a reason behind it. As we kept using one AI tool for a really long time, it has all of our data. Now, if I want to create an email about that I have to send to my HR, for example, so I just don't need to mention my name, my designation, my company, which company I'm working right now, or any kind of these kind of details. I can just write in like I just tell the chat GPT that create me a mail that will ask for a appraisal. So what it will do, it has all the data already, and what it will do, it will create the email for me. Similarly, for example, let me okay, Sivastav, can you tell me which grade are you in right now?
Sir, 7th.
Seventh grade, that's good. So what is your most favorite subject?
Sir, math.
Math. That's great. Math is also my favorite subject. What about you, Shanvi? What is your favorite subject?
So computer science.
Wow. What about you, Agastya?
Sir, math and science.
I can't hear you, buddy.
Sir, math and science.
Wow, that's great. And Nitya, what about you?
Unpopular opinion, but history and political science.
Wow, that was something that goes over my head. Honestly, I'll tell you. Like, I like history a lot, but if you don't ask me to remember the years. But anyways, all of these are really good. Now imagine that you are giving different types of prompts to the ChatGPT. Let's take an example, ChatGPT, because everyone has used it, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you're giving the datas, it has all the datas. You gave him like which particular theory or which particular topic is kind of hard for you. It already told him. So he explained it in the simple words. Even if you use the other AIs like Perplexity that Agastya told you, it can create an imaginary video about it so you can understand it is much better. You can try that. So what will happen in that case is the data that you need, it's a user specific data, not a generalized data. I'm not asking like any kind of popular math problems or anything like that. It's a user specific, what you need. AI will be helping you in that, right? So whenever, hi Saad, can you hear me?
And yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi sir. Can you
From the team.
turn on the
I am from the team. Sir, I am from the team. I am just here to confirm whether the all the things are going fine or not.
okay sir, okay, sorry, I couldn't recognize. I'm really sorry, sir.
No, don't be, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, you can.
So what happens whenever you give any kind of data, it being stored. Anyone who is using ChatGPT or any kind of AI tool, you will always have an option to delete your own data from there. You can reset it. Okay. So if you ever tried, then what will happen? All the data that was stored, it will be removed. And I'm that lazy guy who doesn't want to do that because it has so much years of data that I just want to keep in that particular ChatGPT. And I have the premium version because I like it. I use it every day. I use it for creating images. I use it for creating the profile pictures. Anyways, now guys, tell me one thing. Who knows about prompt engineering? What is prompt engineering and why is it so important? Okay, Shanvi, tell me.
So prompt engineering is, I think, just learning how to write the correct prompt so that you get an output exactly according to how you want, and it's not beating around the bush, like exactly catering to your needs.
Exactly. I think Agastya. Yeah, Agastya, tell me.
Sir, prompt engineering is just designing and creating the best prompt. The message we write to AI for a request is called prompt. So writing the best prompt is prompt engineering.
Correct. Anyone else who would like to participate, buddy?
Sir, same as Agastya.
Correct. So you will always notice one thing that prompt engineering is very important in terms of creating the proper output, right? Who tries to create videos or images using AI mostly? Like every day you try at least one or two videos.
Sir, me.
Okay. What about you, Agastya? Do you also try it?
Yes, sir, I tried.
Okay. Can anyone tell me Who has, okay, tell me your ideas that you have tried today. That was the craziest idea. It's not like a normal thing that you have tried using prompt engineering or creating images. I hope somebody have tried some not normal ideas with AI, like for creating images. Has anyone tried it?
Sir, I created my own brain rot.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, I created a whole video format storyboard.
Wow. What about you, Ditya? Have you ever tried it?
I haven't used anything other than normal stuff because I usually use for debate.
Mhm. And what about you, Ishanvi?
No, sir, I haven't used AI for image and video making.
Okay, no worries, buddy. I'll tell you one thing. See, whenever you try to create a proper video or images, the prompt engineering comes to the place mostly, I'll say. Because instead of giving multiple prompts every time, for example, let me give you an example. If I ask the AI to write a poem about rain, so at that case, this prompt is not sufficient, right? I haven't mentioned the other details. I just told him that create a poem about rain. So whatever the data it has, it will just given us an generalized output, right? Or explain gravity like I am 10 years old. Is it a correct prompt?
No.
No. Okay. Create a logo for a football team. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask something. Tell me about space. None of them, right? So you always know that whenever you give this kind of prompts, what happens? It creates a generalized format. And many times I have also noticed sometime that it gives us wrong data. I have noticed it. Because while creating the generalized format, it searches different types of websites. Even you will see the references. And if any website has the wrong data, it gives us the wrong data. I've seen it multiplying, like, sorry, subtracting. I like asked one time ChatGPT that I have an exam in like February next year, and current month is like June. So he said, "Yeah, you have like 18 months." I was like, "How am I got 18 months? This is currently June. I have an exam in February, so it will be like 8 months. How he got like counted 18 months?" So, he said, yeah, you are correct. This was the old version of ChatGPT I'm talking about. It has multiple errors in it. So, whenever you're trying to give a prompt, it needs to be accurate. Now, there is a proper format for creating the prompt. Does anyone knows it? Agastya, do you know it? Okay. Anyone like Srivastav, do you know the format for creating the correct prompt?
Sir, like you need to describe what you are thinking of, like
Correct. And Ishanvi or Ditya? Okay, I'll tell you. The correct prompt based on these three details. First, task. What is the task you want him to do? Like, tell me about space. This is the task he will be doing. Second, details. Which particular part of the space? Am I like most interested about any kind of like planet or any kind of planetary environment, or am I do I want to know about moon or what part of moon? This kind of details you have to give. Third is style. What should be the writing style or the paragraph style? So whenever you want to create any kind of prompt, try to follow this pattern. First, give him the task, what he needs to do. Second, the details. Now, this details part is mostly important. Here, it gives the user specific data. If you give less details, it will be creating that output based on that. Let me give an example. Okay. So I'll give a script, like, sorry, I'll give a prompt that write a paragraph. You can see this is the task I've given. Second line, I'll be writing about climate change. Even though it's little details, but it is in specific details that he needs to do. And third details, the style. In simple language for school students of grade 7. So it will write the paragraph. You can give more style, like in 100 words, or 50 words, or 50 letters, or 100 characters. So whenever you're trying to create a prompt, always follow these 3 patterns. First task, second details, and third is style. I hope everyone got it. Any confusion about this, buddies? Even though you will be getting more sessions, this is just an overview session, but I'm giving the small details about these all topics that we use in AI and machine learning. Later on, I'll be giving you more details about this in the upcoming sessions. From tomorrow, we'll get into the core sessions, you can say. I hope nobody is getting bored. Okay, that's great, buddy. So let me give you one more small task. I'm gonna say some of the like work that we do every day, and you are gonna like let me do one thing. Let me give you a script. Okay. So what you will do is you will create your own AI map. AI map means you will find out what is the data that he is taking. What is the data? Like I'll give you a task, for example, Google Map. Okay, Google Map is an app that we use, and it also uses AI, right, to find out the best path in terms of the fuel efficiency, in terms of the like traffic jam, in terms of the highest speed road, we can say. So it always analyzes it, right? So I think you'll also notice sometime that the peoples who drive bikes and the peoples who drive cars, the output of Google Map is different. Like the time that it will show you, it will be different every time. I know that you always see that the roads are also be different, but try, for example, Ishanvi, you can try this. You can take 2 phones, one of your friend's phone and one of your phones, or any of your parents' phones you can take. Search for the same location, okay? And like, for example, you tried, what is your nearest biggest city? Tell me. Nearest biggest city that you want to go, like Rajasthan or anything like that? Any example?
So Delhi.
Delhi. So you want to reach Delhi, a proper location in Delhi, put the same details from 2 different persons' phone, not the same family guy's phone. Like you should not try this with your like dad's phone and your mom's phone. It should be 2 different families' phone who drive car differently. What you will notice is after some time, the time it is showing you, it will be changed. Do you know why? Because maybe your dad drives the car at a different speed and the other person drives the car at a different speed. So whatever the output Google Map will give us, it will be different based on that. When I drive my bike, the time it shows me, it's not same about my friend. So if you are going for a trip, the timings will not be accurate. Got it? So this is how I'll be giving you some like names, AI system names. You have to find out the data that it has used, or you have to write some data, like for example, Google Map. It will be using data like location, the driving speed, or the best path. These are the data that is used. Pattern found, what kind of patterns it will search in between the datas, and decision making, what kind of decisions it will make, and one risk or limitations in that AI system. I'll write it in the chat board, chat box, so you can easily, like find out the patterns that how you have to write. So just give me a second. Has anyone used Canva?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I'll write it in the chat. So I've given some AI system names. You can see, and you have to write it in this way. For example, first you write YouTube, Then the data used in YouTube, what are the data that it will uses? Second is pattern, what types of pattern it will found in the YouTube. Third, what kind of decisions it will make. And you just have to write some words only. You don't have to explain in like sentences and sentences. Like you can, for YouTube, data use, search history, watch history, or the videos that is watched. In simple words, you have to write. Got it? Anyone has any confusion, doubts? Yeah, Agastya? I can't hear you, buddy.
Sir, we have to write in the chat only, na?
Yeah, in the chat. You can take any one of the three AI example. You don't need to write all of them. Any three AI example. Write this AI system name first. Then what is the data that is used? The pattern that it will found, decision made, and one risk or limitation about it. Okay, guys, I have got two responses. So I've got responses from Vidya and Agastya. Ishanvi, how much is it done, buddy? Do you need help in it? Okay. Srivastav, what have you done, buddy?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I sent it in the chat, but it's not showing.
Okay, no worries, buddy. Let me just do one thing. So can you tell me which are the options you have selected? Or which are the systems you have selected, AI systems?
Sir, face unlock.
Face unlock. Okay, let me check one thing. Have you written it in the chat and tried to, you have tried to send it? Yeah, I see. Actually, it's not showing me for also. Okay. I see everyone has sent me the correct output, correct data as I see. Everyone has sent Gmail. Yeah. Okay, Agastya, you said that you couldn't understand the patterns, right? What is pattern means?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you in simple words, but even though I'll be explaining it in the upcoming classes also. AI system looks at lots of data, right? Hundreds of data it looks at. Now, what it does, it tries to notice the similarities and habits or repeated behaviors among the data. For example, you recognize your friend's face. Every day you see your friend's face, right? And when you're seeing any other person's face, you will not find the similarities. But what if you found some similarities? So this kind of pattern recognition happens in AI. If I give another example, you can recognize your teacher's voice. So next time you hear any voice, how can you recognize the voice? Because you will find the similarities among the voice. So pattern recognition means you have to recognize different kinds of similarities, habits, and repeated behaviors.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone has sent me the correct answers, I see. I want to know from Sivasta because you said that your answer couldn't be submitted. So can you tell me what are the three AI systems you have chosen?
Sir, I've chosen one face unlock.
Face unlock. Any other two you have chosen, buddy?
Sir, and sir, I've chosen YouTube.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the pattern recognition in YouTube?
Sir, different people like different types of things, and different people watch different types of things. So, like, that will be the pattern.
Yes, correct. The watch history or search history. Exactly. So, buddies, you have all done really great, I see. And you have the pretty much good understanding about AI. And that was a really great answers that have got, but awesome. Ishanvi has done really good. I see Sivastav has done really good. Like you have told me the correct answer. Agastya also given me the very good answers, but he couldn't only understand the patterns. So don't worry, buddy. We'll be having more detailed sessions about these things. So you'll get to know about them and we'll be doing more activities on it. And Ditya, you have really that your answer was really good. I see that you have chosen autocorrect in keyboard. Now, we always notice this, right? But it's every day we see the autocorrect. And at some time, have you ever faced this kind of difficulties, like while sending a message, it just randomly types a word by himself, even though you wanted to write something else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's a great option, but that's a great thing that you have chosen. Now, what I'll do, buddy, I'll give you some homeworks. It'll be pretty easy, and it's gonna be your choice homework, I'll say. So, what you have to do in everyday life, you guys work with many different things. Everyday life, you use smartphones, laptops in your school, you do in your house, you do, you have surveillance cameras in your house, in your school, right? So, different types of devices are being used in your house, like air conditioner, smart vacuum cleaners, this kind of devices are there. So, you need to choose any three AI system that you use in your home or school, and you have to define the system name, data, what are the data it collects, what are the patterns it you like tries to find out among the datas, and what is the decision he makes on that, and what can be the risk or limitations of it. Now you don't need to write and submit it anywhere else. I'll give you a link of a spreadsheet. You need to upload it over there. Okay, just give me a second. Everyone, please, you will be verifying that if you can edit that sheet. Okay, copy link. Okay, everyone open this link I have sent. Ditya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone open the link. See, I have written your names in the sheet. So you will choose your AI systems according to it. Only three. No need to write more. Okay. You'll choose your name based on your profiles you can see, and you'll write those. This is your homework that you have to submit by tomorrow.
Sir, my name spelling is wrong.
What, buddy?
My name spelling is wrong.
Okay. I'm really sorry about that, buddy. Let me correct it. I'm really sorry. Is it good now?
No, there is no Y after G.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Srivastav, can you access it? So you guys can all write your answers according to it. I'll be checking it by tomorrow. Any questions before we wrap up the session, buddies?
No.
Agastya, do you have any questions?
No.
Yeah, tell me, Shanti.
So in the homework, we can use any three AIs that we see at school.
Yeah, school or home, any three AIs. Okay. Agastya, do you have any questions? Or Srivastav, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Titya, do you have any questions, buddy?
No.
Okay, I hope you got a pretty understanding about the overview of AI, how it works, what is prompt engineering, machine learning. This was just an overview session. Only small details I have given. There will be upcoming sessions where everything will be explained in details. Okay? I hope you best of luck for your upcoming sessions. I'll meet you tomorrow, guys. So, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.